Coder and writer. Hi there. Let's see. How to become MERN developer. MERN means MongoDB, Express, React.js, Node.js. MERN stack is JavaScript stack that is used for easier and faster deployment of full-stack web application. MERN architecture: front-end, back-end, database. In MERN, M means MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database in which data is stored in documents that consist of key-value pairs. In MERN, E means Express. Express is a flexible and clean Node.js web application framework. Express will be used as back-end API server which interact with MongoDB to serve data to client app. In MERN, R means React.js. React is an open-source JavaScript library that is used to build user interface specifically for single-page applications. In MERN, N means Node.js. Node.js is a cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Let's see. MERN Roadmap. First, HTML, you need to learn basics, different tags, forms, semantic HTML, SEO basics. Next, CSS, you need to learn CSS basics, selectors, positions, box model, grid layout, media queries. Next, JavaScript, you need to learn basics, DOM, scoping and hosting, async and await, promises, array and string manipulation. Next, React.js, you need to learn components, JSX, props and state, events, styling, rendering. Next, React hooks, you need to learn use state, use effect, use ref, use context, use reducer, use memo. Next, React essential things, you need to learn Axios, React routes, HOC, higher order components, UI frameworks, Redux, Jest for testing. In Express, you need to learn first basics, routes, middleware, CRUD operations, error handling, authentication. In MongoDB, you need to learn difference between SQL and non-SQL, data structure, CRUD operations, indexing, aggregation, model and schema. Next, Mongoose. Mongoose is an object data modeling library for MongoDB and Node.js. Mongoose manages relationships between data and provides schema validation. In Mongoose, you need to learn defining the schema and data validations. Let's see how it works. First, request will pass client to Node.js server. Then Node.js server query the data from MongoDB. Then MongoDB return the data to server. And server return the data to client app. Next, Some essential things in Node.js Developer: Git, GitHub, Terminal, Postman, testing. Next, you need to deploy the front-end project. You can use Netlify, Vercel, Render. Next, you need to deploy the back-end project. You can use Vercel, Heroku, DigitalOcean. Let's see some project ideas you can work to build your portfolio. E-commerce app, chat app, social media app. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Coder and Writer.